when you look at the available materials, available resources, AI will not be able to take over human related jobs, meaning the grandfather basis, we all have to become plumbers. You have to study plumbing. So that means anything that requires manual labor is AI safe. But things that can be automated, then that's it. You just have to be, you have, we all have to upskill, we all have to evolve. But again, you have to stay true to your core, to stay to true to who you are and what's really important to you, what makes you tick, why you do what you do, why you keep pushing forward without sacrificing your core.